Here I'm reusing the same code that we used in the last time. So in here, if I write browser get timeout, so you can see I have written get timeouts. So what we'll do is just run this particular script, and we'll see what are the timeouts, and we can just print as well what is uh, timeout, where maybe I can say, okay, maybe timeout. Fine. So I can just console.log. I can write this, and you can just write something. Timeout returned as timeout. Okay. So if I run this particular script by using my package.json, yes, I have this one, wdio. So what I need to do in here is just save it, then npm run, then test. So this thing I need to do. Now we can see it will open the page and it will close. And you can see in here, this particular test got passed, and we have written this one timeout return as. You can see somewhere it should be there. Yes, in here you can see timeout return as object. Why? Because why it's giving object? Because the return type of this particular method is object. So we need to write a string of that. So in here you can see its a return type is object. But if we print that as a string, you'll see these three things. So how we can do that? So we have JSON, the way that we do in case of JavaScript is JSON.stringify. So that will print the string value of the object. All right. So if I write JSON.stringify and timeout, so now I should see the timeouts instead of object here, right? So what I can do is just print, run again the test. So this time, let's see what I got. So yes, so in this case, you can see implicit weight is 0, and page load timeout is 3000. Sorry, it's 30 second. That means okay. No, it's okay. Whatever. This is 3000. Script is 3000. That this is 30 second. This is maybe more than that. So page turn timeouts. More, right? So you can see that. So same thing if I do, okay, so let's do one thing. Let's set timeout. Okay, so in this case, I need to just write the set timeout. I need to provide the informations as a string. Sorry, it should not be a string. We can check on in here. So what is the thing? It's a number. It's a implicit weight number. Maybe I can just put, and it should be in a millisecond, I believe, in milliseconds. So what I can do, I can just write implicit weight. The first one is implicit weight. What I can do is just write. Sorry, not in here. In here, right? So maybe 40,000 per second implicit weight, and the page load timeout maybe I'll do for 50 second, 50,000. And another one is script timeout. Script timeout I can give 120,000. Okay. So this is around 120 second. That will return you 2 minutes almost. So let me just run and let's print this same thing again. Okay. After applying this, what I can get in here, maybe 2. This is second. And yeah, so let me just run it again. Just clear this and run again. npm run test. So we should see the updated one if everything is fine. Okay, so in here, see the timeout return. The first one is the default one because we didn't set anything. So this is the default. Okay, 300,000. That is this one, the page load. This is 30,000. And in the second case, once we applied the same timeouts, we can see in here implicit page load timeout, then script timeout. Fine. So this is what, and this is how it will work. Okay. Thank you for watching. So we'll see another topic for this. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.